Let's talk about the park. A park is an outdoor place where people go to walk, rest, and enjoy nature. Parks have green grass and tall trees. The grass is a soft place to sit or lie down. There are often flowers in the park. They come in many colors: red, yellow, pink, and white. A park has paths for walking. People walk along the paths in the morning and in the evening. There are benches along the paths. You can sit down, rest, and watch people walk by. Many parks have a playground for children. Kids run, climb, and play on the swings and slides. Some parks have a pond. A pond is a small area of water with plants around the edge. Ducks often live near the pond. They swim slowly on the water and rest on the bank. People bring their dogs to the park. The dogs run and play on the open grass. Families and friends come to the park together. Some people bring food and have a picnic on the grass. The park looks different in each season. In spring, the cherry blossoms make the trees pink and white. In summer, the shade from the trees keeps you cool. In winter, the park is cold and the trees have no leaves. The park is a quiet and peaceful place. It is good for walking, thinking, and getting away from a busy day. Many people love their local park. It is always open and it is always free to visit.